Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can reset forgotten Spotify password. So to get started, go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser or Safari. So in the search box, type in www.spotify.com and you'll be appear with the homepage of Spotify. You cannot reset your forgotten password. You cannot reset your password from the Spotify application. So here we can only use the website of it. So once you have opened it, you will be appear with the login homepage. So if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it, then go ahead and tap on forgot your password, and once you tap on it, you will have to write down your email address or username in order to receive a verification code or the reset link. So once you have write down or type down your email address or username, go ahead and tap on send. Once it's done, you'll be receiving a reset link on the email that you have just added, and you can just simply tap on that link. And that's all guys. Doing so will successfully help you recover your account and reset the password. You can tap on that link and change your password, and you can just come back to a login homepage and log into your Spotify account. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.